One stream makes you slimier, and one stream can be raw, and the ones that Pupper gives you will leave you in awe. Go watch Alice when she's streaming live. And if you go chasing kibble, and you know you won't survive, look for a certain moderator who only just arrived. Ask Alice so you could be revived. When the slime's on the chat board, get up and watch them all explode. And we're all okay because we're all slime, and your mind has forgotten the lore. Go ask Alice, I think she'll know. When art and online games have started to unfurl, and the sound bites are talking backwards, and your slime is in a whirl. Remember what KJ Nightmare said: feed the wolf girl.